Hi, my name is Cameron Wheatholtz, and this is my synthesis essay presentation. So, my question is, how accurate is The Things They Carry by Tim O'Brien? There are a lot of inaccuracies about the Vietnam War in film and media, but today we're going to be looking at The Things They Carry to see if it is accurate to the war. The Things They Carry is basically a bunch of different stories about men in the Vietnam War and the different events they have to go through. One example in the first chapter is the death of Ted Lavender and how it affects First Lieutenant Jimmy Cross. The first article I researched discusses the accuracy of the many different aspects that The Things They Carried covers. Some include desertion, friendly fire, fragging of superior officers, and the attitude that the military had towards the local Vietnamese population. One example that the article covers is fragging. And fragging is where military personnel would murder their superior officers with a frag grenade because it was untraceable and they could get away with it. This actually happened in the war, and The Things They Carried covers it very accurately. Another big aspect of every war is PTSD. And in an article dedicated to looking at PTSD in Vietnam War veterans, it says that approximately 83% of all people with PTSD experience trauma-related guilt. This aligns perfectly with how Ted Lavender's death affects First Lieutenant Jimmy Cross, because he feels completely responsible for what happens, and even 20 years later, he still feels that guilt. Although The Things They Carried is fictional, is very accurate to the Vietnam War, and Tim O'Brien does this by showing the different aspects of the war through stories, just like how he showed PTSD through First Lieutenant Jimmy Cross. There may be a lot of inaccuracies about the Vietnam War in film and media today, but The Things They Carried is not one of them. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and have a Merry Christmas.